Want to watch every out-of-market NFL game without paying for NFL Sunday ticket? In this guide, I will show you all the legal ways so you can get it for free. Some Verizon phone and internet plans include a free season of NFL Sunday ticket. Check your My Verizon app or account dashboard to see if you qualify and claim the offer. Next, YouTube and YouTube TV sometimes run promotions with free NFL Sunday ticket for new subscribers or device bundles. These usually happen before the season starts. Likewise, college students can get heavy discounts and sometimes free access when NFL runs special back-to-school promos. Follow NFL's official social media accounts and sponsors like Bud Light or Lowe's. They often hold contests and giveaways for free NFL Sunday ticket codes. If someone in your family or a close friend already had a subscription to YouTube, they can share their account login with you as long as you stay within device limits. And that's how you can get NFL Sunday ticket for free. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.